Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to automate part of your business and then something broke? A lead didn't get a response. A message went out at the wrong time, or worse, a customer got something that made your business feel robotic. If that's happened to you, you're not alone. But here's the truth most people miss. Automation isn't what breaks your business. Bad implementation is. So today, I want to walk you through how to actually automate repetitive tasks the right way, without creating chaos. Most business owners hesitate with automation for a few reasons. What if messages send at the wrong time? What if leads get lost? What if it hurts the customer experience? Those are all valid concerns. But here's what's interesting. Research from McKinsey shows that about 60% of jobs have at least 30% of tasks that can be automated. So the opportunity is massive. The real issue isn't automation, it's lack of structure. If you want to do this safely, don't try to automate everything at once. Start with the lowest risk, highest impact areas. First, lead response. If someone fills out a form or reaches out, you shouldn't be manually responding every time. A simple automation should send a text immediately, follow up with an email, and add them to your CRM. And here's why this matters. Harvard Business Review found that responding within 5 minutes makes you 100 times more likely to connect with a lead, not 10 times, 100 times. Second, appointment scheduling, back and forth emails to book meetings, that's a time killer. Instead, let people book online, send automatic confirmations, send reminders. Now your calendar fills itself. Third, follow-ups. This is where most businesses lose money, not because they don't get leads, but because they don't follow up. Automation solves that by sending sequences, nudging people who didn't respond, and keeping you top of mind. This is the part most people skip. If you want automation to actually work, follow this process. Step 1. Map your current process. Before you automate anything, ask, what triggers this? What happens next? Who handles it? If you can't explain it simply, don't automate it yet. Step 2. Automate one piece at a time. Don't try to automate your entire business in one weekend. Start with lead response, then scheduling, then follow-ups. Test each step before moving on. Step 3. Use logic, not just automation. Good automation adapts. For example, if someone is ready to buy, send them to booking. If they're just researching, send helpful info. That's how you keep it from feeling generic. Step 4. Always keep a human option. Automation should support your team, not replace it. Make sure people can reach a real person. You get alerts when needed, and you can step in anytime. That's your safety net. One of the biggest fears is sounding robotic. And honestly, that happens a lot. But it's easy to fix. Instead of saying, "Thank you for your inquiry," say, "Hey, got your message. Someone will reach out shortly." That's simple and natural. Also, use names, reference what they asked about, and space out your messages. Automation should feel like a conversation, not a sequence. Let me save you some headaches. Here are the biggest mistakes I see. 1. Over-automating too soon. Trying to automate everything at once creates chaos. 2. Not testing workflows. Always run through it like a customer. 3. Ignoring data. Track response rates, conversions, and drop-offs. Salesforce found that 67% of marketing leaders rely on automation to improve results, but only when it's done right. 4. Forgetting the customer experience. If it feels annoying, it is. Here's where things really break. Not automation itself, but disconnected tools. One tool for email, another for CRM, another for scheduling. That's where things fall apart. The real solution is having everything connected in one system. So if your business feels chaotic, or you feel like you're constantly chasing leads, it's not because you need more tools. It's because you need better systems. Automation, when done right, doesn't replace your business. It makes it run smoother, faster, and more reliably. If you want help setting this up the right way, you can check out Surge by Thrive. We'll help you build workflows that actually work without breaking everything in the process.